Today we are in Koh Samui and we're doing something I am super excited about. We're taking a boat tour over to Koh for some snorkeling, and then we're finally going to Koh Samui, which is known as Pig Island. It's where a bunch of free-range pigs live, and we are going to be able to go swimming and hang out on the beach with them. So that is what we're doing in this vlog, and we're gonna take you along with us. This morning the tour company picked us up at our hotel and we took about a 30-minute bus ride to get over to the port where we will be leaving from. I'm excited to see the pigs.
There's tons and tons of fish and they would swarm around you. It was kind of creepy, like it was like I was a fish.
So we've just gotten off at Pig Beach. There are so many piggies. I'm so excited. I got to feed one of the baby pigs. I have been feeding my new friends Carson's meat because they only want the meat, and he says no.
No food. A full-size buffet.
I got the vegetarian option. Our place had free kayaks that you could go after lunch, so we are going on a little kayak. Carson and I to hike to the viewpoint that he suggested. So that's where we're going now. This is my favorite area of the entire beach. We've got sleeping piggies right there, and we've got sleeping puppies over here. Carson got a little sunburned. It's okay. It was a good day regardless. Now we're heading back. That's where we were snorkeling, and we're heading back to Koh Samui, right over there. I wanted to end off the vlog here. We had so much fun today. I will link the tour we did in the description down below because it was really, really great. The lunch was great. The hotel pickup and drop off was great. And we had a lot of fun. I'm so glad we got to see the pigs. It's been the highlight of my trip so far. So if you like this vlog, subscribe. So we will see you in the next vlog. Bye.
Good day.